Hello and welcome to the cottage of chaos and mayhem. The kids are the chaos, the rest is just mayhem. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do a very basic stitch. It is the half double crochet and it is one of my favourite. I don't know why, I just love it. So let's get started, shall we? So to start with, we're going to chain 14. So we're going to create our slip knot like so, and we're going to chain 14. Now if you don't know how to chain, I do have a tutorial for that, so go and check that out in my learn how to crochet playlist and come back. So 1 2 3 now in the second chain from the hook, we're going to that's where we're going to insert our hook. So we're going to yarn over, insert your hook into the second chain from our hook, yarn over again, pull through, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Again, yarn over, insert your hook into the next chain, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through the remaining loops. Again, yarn over, insert your hook into the next chain, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next chain, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. And we're just going to keep doing that until we get to the end of our chain, and we should have 12 half double crochet. No, sorry, 13 half double crochet. In the last chain, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through 3 loops. Now, to continue this and do our second row, chain 1, turn your work, yarn over, insert your hook into the first stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through all the loops. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. I'm just going to do that until we reach the end of the row. press stitch, set our hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. And there you have it. You've just done 2 rows of 13 half double crochet. Well done. If you enjoyed this video, please do press that like and subscribe button. I post tutorials every week, alternating between foundation stitches such as this one and more detailed patterns every Wednesday. And I also have my series, which is once a month, which is called I Made It So You Don't Have To, where I tear my hair out over AI generated Temu patterns to expose why they don't work, but also talk about why they do work. So, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you next week. Bye!